Hello everyone, let's make some cute hairstyles. Have some hair wax onto the middle section of the hair and comb it a little bit, then separate the back section out of it and have parts of it in the middle section and make hair ties and have an extra rubber in the tail. Do the same on the left side and bring the back section, a top part of it, a ponytail, and bring the tail from bottom to top using a hair loop and divide it into two parts and braid it, bulbous braid hairstyle. Apply some hair wax onto the middle section of the hair and comb it a little bit, then make it into two parts, leaving the back section as such, and make a ponytail in the back section at the right bottom of it, and have two more ponytails in the sections we have before. Then with the sections, have it split into three parts and have the middle one attached to the middle one of the second tail and have it secured to the top temporarily, and have a rubber attached to it and make it bulbous by extending them. Then combine them further and have even more attached to it in the middle one and have it secured to the top temporarily. Then do the same as we did before one more time and do it continuously until you reach the bottom part. Then we'll attach it with the remaining part of the tail and braid the remaining part into a thick manner. Then after that, hold the braid and make it to the top and have it attached to it with a hair band. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and leave the front section as such and separate the middle section from the back, and on the side sections have lovely ponytails including the back section also. Then grab strips of hair from the ponytails we have and have it braided in a thicker manner. So once when you do the braiding, have strips of hair right in the middle of the braids gap and have it in the way. Then do the braiding until you reach the bottom middle part and empty all the hair from either of the ponytail. Then after that, with the remaining section of the braid, do as normal as you would do in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Then after that, with the remaining tail we have, release it and have it as such. Fold the braid in a loopy manner. Apply some hair wax and comb your hair and split the middle section and have a ponytail out of it. Then drop the ponytail into its own loop, making a twisted band. Then after splitting the hair, have the back section of the hair, a few strands from it, borrowed from that, and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do borrow the few strands of hair from the front section as well, making the ridges visible. Then once when you empty the hair, make the braiding as normal as you would do in the bottom section and secure the end with the rubber band and fold it and attach it to the first rubber band we have and drop a hairpin. Do buns dinner braids. Have a side section of the hair into two parts and have ponytails on each of them, and have a top section of the back side into another ponytail and attach the three tails together and have a rubber band attached to it and drop a lovely hair ribbon onto it and braid it. Then after that, roll the braid into a clockwise manner and hide the tip underneath the bun and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin. Then do a thinner braid at the bottom section. Colorful braid in a loopy manner. Apply some hair wax in the middle section of the hair and comb it a little bit and split the middle section of the hair into two parts and have a strip of hair right from it and tie with a little string at the ends. Then continue doing the same until you tighten a little bit. Then after that, braid it along with the string to make it visible. Then borrow some strips of hair from the middle section after you complete that, making it into a thicker braid. Continue borrowing it from the middle section so that you make the ridges visible. Then also do the braiding as normal as you would do from the middle section of the hair and also right in the front of the front section, or borrowing every single part of the hair. And after that, do it until you reach the bottom and have the end secure with a rubber. Do the same braiding also on the right side as well. And after that, complete the braiding and combine all the hair together with another rubber band. Then with the ponytail we had before, have it released and make the hairstyle as such. And also don't forget to have a bow tie design by using the excess part of the string we have, a bun in the middle of a star. Thank you everyone for watching this video.